Right, so this is the Peak District vlog. I've arrived at my camp spot. I've had some food. I'm going to go and explore up there. There's a trail up there to Thors Cave. So yeah, let's go and have a look. Right, I'm starting my journey up to Thors Cave. It's about 20 to 8 in the evening. Hopefully when I get up there I can shoot the sunset, which I think is about 9:45. So yeah, I think it's about a 5-kilometre walk, so we'll see how we go. Don't really know where to look. That's probably right, isn't it? We'll work that out. I'm hoping that Thors Cave is going to be on higher ground. However, the trail so far hasn't gone up at all. It hasn't ascended at all, so we'll see. We might not be shooting sunset. I think that's it up there, but I have no clue how to get to it. I'm at the top now. Sun's setting over there, so it's not quite in view, but it's still a decent view. 2 hot air balloons as well. Right, so I think even though the cave is just behind me, I can get up higher, just up there, so I'm going to give that a go. Made it to the top. Good morning, it's about 6:30. Got up quite early, had an alright night's sleep, had a cereal, just going to get some brekkie on. I've got some toast on the go, bit of avocado. I am at Dovedale. It's a National Trust park thing. There's a river, I could walk along the river, some stepping stones, have a little explore, maybe take some photos. Following this path up to Thorpe Cloud. I think it's a hill. One of these might be that one, or could be that one up there. It's really nice here. Whew. Not far from the top now. Good views up here. Nearly there. Top now, decent views up here. So I'm at Ladybower Reservoir now. I think there's a mountain, a hill I can go up, get some photos up there. There's also the Derwent Damn to see, so we're going to go and have a little explore. Literally in a car park. So I've been to the Ladybower Reservoir Dam, which is the first one by the car park, and now I'm just walking around the reservoir. I think it's about a 6k walk to the Derwent Damn, which is the bigger one, I think, from what I've seen on photos. Side now, the top. I'm walking back along the reservoir now, a different one to where I was before, so it's parallel with it. Just walking back along, probably about an hour's walk, a bit longer than I expected. The Derwent Damn that I've just been to see was actually part of the Dam Busters, where they flew Lancaster bombers really low, 60 metres above the water, I think it said, and then that was to practice for bombing the German dams. It's quite interesting. I arrived at the campsite. It was about a 30-minute drive from where I was in the dam. Got the dinner on, a little pasta number, I'll show you. There's my dinner for tonight. Cook some pasta for tomorrow as well. Look at that. I finished my food, had a shower, and I'm just going to have a little chill out before going to bed. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Right, so I've just parked up near Mam Tor, which is one of the peaks. Like mountains, probably a hill actually. There's about a 5-mile walk that you can do to Loss Hill. As you can see, the weather is not quite bad. I don't think there's going to be great visibility out there, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm currently about halfway to Loose Hill. It's been up Back Tor, I think, which is the one in between Mam Tor and Loose Hill. That was quite steep, but it's not too bad. So yeah, let's crack on. The weather's really weird. It's like really low clouds and then it will just clear, but not great for photos, but it's still good up here. Clearing up a little bit. Decent views up here. On my way back to the van. Same route back. Not that far away now. I've got some pasta left over from last night, which would be lovely. Because I'm starving. It's cleared up a little. Still quite misty though. Whew. Just arrived at Stanage Edge, I think it's called. Stanage. You can see it just up there. So we're gonna go. I've only got enough money for an hour's parking because you've got to put the change in. So I'll probably just dash up, take a few photos, see how we go. Sheep in the car park, as always. Not too far away. Not really a proper path. You can kind of see it there, but that's where I've come from. Great views. I made it. It's incredible up here. The views. It's amazing. Whew. It's a little bit steep in the end, really.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Dinner's on, well, prepped, jackfruit, veg wraps, back at the same campsite again. Lovely evening. They've overdone it on the portion size, but it's looking decent. Bit of barbecue sauce on there. The weather has got a lot better. Look at that. Bit of sun. Dinner's all done and dusted. It was alright. Not amazing. I'm just gonna have a chill out now, I think. Enjoy the last bit of sun before it starts raining tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna look at some caves, kind of indoors. And then also try and find some waterfalls maybe, but we'll see how we go tomorrow, because the weather was meant to be quite bad today and it's been okay, but it's been dry. Yeah, speak tomorrow. Right, so I've just arrived at Poole's Cavern in Buxton. I did try and go and see a waterfall this morning, but I couldn't really get that close. And I've had to walk like 2 hours in the rain. So I just sat that off. Got a tour in like 5 minutes, I think, so I should be able, I'll take my camera down, but I might take the little action cam GoPro thing in case it's quite wet down there. So yeah.
Orange tip occurs nowhere else in the entire world, and they still don't know what causes it. At first they thought it was iron oxide or rust.
So I've just got to a little park up about 15 minutes from Buxton. It's really nice up here. I may stay here tonight. It's raining, so I'm just gonna have a bit of a chill out. The Cavern, Poole Cavern tour was really good. Actually, it was about 45 minutes. Sorry. Yeah, it was quite interesting, and it was like 7 degrees down there. It was quite weird. It was really interesting. They talked about how it was used in the Victorian times and how old it is and stuff like that. Yeah, it was really interesting. Jesus, it's really windy. Wait, that over there is Manchester. Right, so I've just had some dinner. Vegetable soup was pretty nice. A few slices of bread, and just gonna tuck in to cookie. These.